Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out on Binance. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. The process for cash out or withdraw your fund on Binance depends on the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to move. Some crypto can be drawn to multiple different blockchains, so be sure to select the right one if you want to cash out. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser and in the web address bar type in www.binance.com and press enter. Make sure that you log into your Binance account by entering your credentials correct. Once you're logged into your Binance account, which looks like this, go and mouse over to the wallet option at the top right hand corner and click on fiat and spot. Soon after you do that, go to the withdraw button at the top right hand corner of the screen right next to deposit. Once you end up in this withdraw crypto page, go ahead and select the coin that you'd like to withdraw by clicking on this coin option over here and select one of the coin that you'd like to withdraw. In my case, I've chosen BTC. If the cryptocurrency is issued on multiple networks, you need to select which one you would like to make your withdrawal on. Select the network from the drop down, enter the recipient's address into the address text box. And once you have all of the information correct, you'll be able to cash out on Binance. Remember that you should be extra careful while typing in the address since you might lose your cryptocurrency to a wrong address. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.